Locathor J series, the J400 Jumpstart. 2000 amp peak. It's a jumpstart with 25 jumpstarts inside the unit. It is a power bank of 8,000 milliamps with a 5.5-inch screen, a large display. It shows the voltage, it has a 300 lumens flashlight, and more. What we're going to do is show you what you get inside the box, how to set it up, and what it's all about. The product comes nicely packaged. Opening up, you have the instruction guide laid on top. You have the power source in a nice sturdy hard plastic case. It weighs about 1.5 pounds. Underneath the paper will be your jumpers, as well as your charging cable. Charging the unit for the first time is opening up the side silicone door to the USB-C or USB-A port. There is a USB-A and USB-C port. A 3.0 amp charger for a 1.5 hour quick charge. As you plug in the unit to a power source and turn on for the first time, you have a 5.5 display screen. The voltage will count up to 14 plus volts, and the red to the green of 25% increments will go to full. When fully charged, the unit will shut off and show the red and green lights. Simply pull out, the lights are on. To shut the unit off, simply long press the on and off button. In order to turn the flashlight on and off, you have a flashlight. You press on the flashlight and the unit will come on. In order to change the solid 300 lumens, simply press on the button once for a rapid flicker, again for an SOS, and again to off. If you want to turn the flashlight on and shut it off in each or individual modes, simply turn the light on and then long press the button to shut off. When you're finished with your charger, just long press the on and off button. There is an M button. If you hold down the M button, it'll get your unit to start. It'll make a clicking noise and have a circuit protective system. You hook up your alligator clips to your positive and negative to the car, and you hook up the module. Opening up the door, correctly press on the button. If it doesn't fit one way, turn it to the side and fit the other way. The unit has a protective circuit board, so you're able to take the clips and prevent from shorting out. When you're all done with the unit, simply long press the on and off button. Locathor J series, the J400 Jumpstart. 2000 amp peak. It's a jumpstart with 25 jumpstarts inside the unit. It is a power bank of 8,000 milliamps with a 5-point screen, a large display. Every 90 days, recharge your unit to keep a full power supply and your units in storage. What we're going to do is go to the car and demonstrate and show you how to jumpstart a car. This unit has up to 25 rechargeable start times. So let's go to the car and give a jump start. We have a battery. We want to read the voltage, see if it's up to par. We simply put on the leads. We turn on the unit. It gives a reading, a test countdown. It clicks and has 4.5 volts on the battery. To jump start the car, simply open up the nice extra wide cables, place onto the terminals, turn the unit on. It gives a countdown. It says we have 12.7 volts and we are ready to jump start our car. We are going to remote jump start. And the car is started. We now simply take the cables and disconnect. And we shut the machine off for the next start. As we have the unit hooked up, you can see it's showing a voltage to the timeout after a number of seconds. And what we're going to do is plug in this radio and charge the unit. You're going to see the unit throw a voltage of negative 13. And we're charging over here. We need to charge other units. We can charge a smartphone, a power bank by plugging in, and the unit will give a voltage. Your light fails to work because it ran out of power, and the unit can simply charge up. The J400 for gas and diesel cars. From 8.0 to 6.0 liters. This jump start is not just your jump start for emergencies on the road. You need extra power to your battery or to a source where you need to run a phone, a small appliance that is 5 volts, a power bank of 8,000 milliamps, a 300 lumens flashlight, a flicker and strobe. This power jump start, the J400, may be something that you are after. It's portable, compact, and weighs at 1.5 pounds. Stores in a glove compartment, anywhere imaginable. It's big enough to fit in your pocket and take along to jumpstart your friend's car. Enjoy your product if the Jumpstart J400 by Locktor is right for you.